Beginner's Guide to Using Google Drive. Now, if you are a beginner and then you'd like to start using Google Drive, you have to understand what it first of all is. Google Drive, more than just a file sharing platform, is basically a storage compartment for all of your Google services. So any type of changes you make across all the Google services like Gmail is going to be stored in your Google Drive storage. Your Google Photos will be stored in your Google Drive. Your Google Sheets, Google Docs, Google Calendar, all the changes that you have across your Google services, they are all stored inside your Google storage that Google provides 15 gigabytes by default. So if you're ever out of 15 gigabytes, then you'll not be able to use Google services unless you choose to delete them manually. Now, some of the things that you can do on Google Drive is to, of course, just store and share the files. So you can always click on the plus icon from the top left to upload a new file or a new folder. Once you've added them, maybe you want to share this with someone, you can always click on the share button over here, and then you can add someone using their email, or you can set this to anybody with the link, so anyone with the link will be able to view that particular file. If you ever want to see the files that are shared with you from others, go to shared with me, and these are all the files that are shared with you across the Google services. So I hope this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video.